I love waffles, but especially when they are this easy to make. We had breakfast for dinner tonight. I used Krusteaz waffle mix with some homemade syrup, and these turned out absolutely delicious. This Ninja waffle maker has a really unique vertical design. It opens from the top down. So the first thing after it's plugged in is you set the knob to the shade that you want and you let it preheat. There are 5 different shade settings. I found that number 3 was perfect for me, just the right amount of crispiness. The light starts out red and switches to green once it reaches the right temperature. Then the batter gets poured right into the opening at the top. One thing to note is that the batter cannot be too thick because it needs to flow down and completely fill the waffle maker. If yours is a little too thick, just add a bit more water to your batter until you get the right consistency. This comes with a precision measuring cup so you can get the right amount of waffle mix every time. What I really love is that the inside is completely non-stick. I don't spray it at all and nothing sticks. Once the light turns green again and it beeps, it is ready to open. Then I grab these silicone tongs to pull out the nice 1-inch thick Belgian waffle, pour on my homemade syrup right over the top, and this also comes with a little recipe booklet with some really delicious dessert recipes you can make right in this waffle maker. So I will definitely be trying some of those next.